Hey YouTube. Originally I was going to start fabricating the alternator stand, but I've decided against doing that right away simply because where the stand might wind up might interfere with where the pulley's going to go. So I'm going to just quickly fabricate the pulley part and I'm going to then continue on with the stand. Originally the pulley was designed to move like in an arc motion. What I want to do is move in a linear motion so I can keep it closer to the engine pulley.